get a legal representation, Your Worship. I would like to say something, Your Worship, to the court.
Court strongly discourages you because what you say may be to the detriment of your own case. If you want a legal representative, the suggestion is that you first consult with your legal representative before you start addressing the court, because what you may say may cause problems for you at a later stage.
Mamela ke baba ne njengoba wena ke usho uthi uzofuna ke ukuthola ke kumele ithi ke yena inkantolo kuwe ngaphambi kokuthi ukhulume noma ngabe yini okuncane okungasenani utholeleke kumele ngoba noma ngabe yini ozoyikhuluma ke namhlanje kusasa ingafaka ke enkingeni lapho.
Will you also be applying for legal aid?
Uzocela uzofaka isicelo kwa legal aid.
Uma ngabe ithi inkantolo uzofaka
Right, I hear you are speaking. I'm asking you a question. Do you want an attorney or don't you want an attorney?
Uma inkantolo yakuzo uyakhuluma kodwa ke uzumbuzo uthi ke uyafuna ke umeli noma akafuni umeli uzoba legal aid noma wakho uzobhadala. Your Worship, I said I will apply for legal aid.
Right, I saw Mr. Nkwana from legal aid. There you are, Mr. Nkwana.
I'm on this topic, I've had the applications with the assistance of the state.
Are you coming on record now, Mr. Nkwana?
That's correct.
The court has now noted that decree number 1, 3, and 4 are also represented by Mr. Nkwana. Is there any application from the state side at this stage?
Indeed, Your Worship, the case was postponed to today for the service of the indictment and related documents, and for the matter to be transferred to the High Court. The indictment is at an advanced stage of finality. However, there is still forensic investigation that is outstanding, and this forensic investigation will inform the form and substance of the indictment. The state therefore requests that the matter be postponed. We submit that there will be no prejudice to the accused if the application is granted. The accused were arrested and charged about a month ago, and this is only the second appearance. The accused are in custody in other cases, and some of them are serving sentences. The request by the state for a postponement has been discussed with the defense, and they've got no objection to the postponement. I haven't specifically engaged Mr. Nkwana, but I don't think he'll have an objection either, subject to confirmation by him. Your Worship, we submit that the state has made out a case that the postponement is necessary and expedient as envisaged in Section 168 of the Criminal Procedure Act, and that the court should exercise its discretion in granting the application for adjournment. A date has been arranged. It's the 5th of March 2021. This is the date that suits advocate Mshololo. The state proposed an earlier date, but unfortunately she's not available before then. And in any case, Your Worship, we are entering a period where most of the services will be scaled down and not much is going to happen between December and January. The accused are in custody at the respective detention centers as indicated previously. Accused number 1 is at Moda B Correctional Center. The state will request that he be postponed there. Accused number 2 is at Valeria Police Station. The state will request that he again be postponed to the Valeria Police Station's police cells. We have a letter from the station commander of Valeria Police Station confirming that the accused can be postponed to Valeria Police Station. Accused number 3 is at Johannesburg Correctional Center. He can again be postponed to that facility. Accused number 4 is detained at Lukop Correctional Center. He can be postponed again to that facility. And accused number 5 is currently detained at Kalakabusha Correctional Center in Empangeni, KwaZulu-Natal. He can be postponed to that facility. Your Worship, as I indicated, the date has been arranged with the Defense Counsel and subject to approval by Mr. Nkwana, if it's available, the date will then be finally the 5th of March if it suits Mr. Nkwana as well. I see he's nodding.
The court will deal with Mr. Nkwana just now.
That's a good thing.
Thank you, Mr. Malloy. Mr. Nkwana, on behalf of accused number 1, 3 and 4, any objection to the state's request?
None, Your Worship.
Mr. Njiago, on behalf of accused number 2, any objection?
No objection, Your Worship.
And counsel Mfulolo?
As the court pleases, Your Worship, Your Worship, as it is clear that we are representing or we are before this court for the first time today, and we have been informed that it was for the indictment and other documents to be supplied to the defense. It is true what my learned friend has addressed this court to say we've agreed that the matter be adjourned until the 5th day of March 2021. The defense in respect of accused number 1 has agreed, but with reservations, that there is still an outstanding forensic investigation in this matter. And then also, secondly, what I want to put on record...
Sorry, you are speaking on behalf of accused number 5.
5, sorry.
Yes.
Sorry, accused number 5, Worship.
Yes, you said accused number 1.
Oh, sorry, Worship. My apologies, Your Worship, for accused number 5.
Yes.
And then also, surprisingly, Your Worship, the investigating team approached the accused number 5 at the Kalakabusha prison, requesting the fingerprints which were taken from accused number 1. And again on
Number 1 or 5?
accused number 5, my apologies. Accused number 5, Fiso Bushe Julie. Again over the weekend, I received a call from the same investigating officer wanting to take the second set of the fingerprints. The defense strongly objects to that. However, there are discussions that are still going to happen between the state and the defense. But I want to put it on record that my client appeared before the court when there is an outstanding investigation, especially for the fingerprints that they want to take.
Yes, and?
And the court places.
You've made your point. Anything further?
Yes, no, that's all, Your Worship.
Thank you. The date suggested by the state also satisfactory to all parties?
I confirm the date is suitable.
Your Worship, accused number 5 is raising his hand.
Counsel, you may approach your client. Just make sure is the correct person, accused number 2. Just a moment, just before you proceed, it seems that the cameras are fixed and what is being said between client and legal representative is being recorded. Just switch off the cameras for a moment, please, so that what is said in confidence between client and attorney is not being recorded. Thank you. You may proceed.
Places, I apologize, Your Worship, for that.
No problem, Mr. Njobe. Anything further?
Situation. Your Worship, my client wishes to address the court, and I have advised him that he has to address the court through me. But he has been insisting that he wishes to address the court on matters that are not particularly related to this appearance.
Yes, the court is not going to allow that at this stage. This is not a media conference, it is a court appearance. If you wish to address the media, do so in your own time, not as part of court proceedings.
Inkantolo ke ithi ke angeke ivumele lo wena ufuna ukusho mangabe ke wena ufuna ukukhuluma ke nemedia ukwenze lokho ngesikhathi sakho ngoba manje ke silana ke simayelana ke naleli cala.
I advise you to be quiet, sir. You have a legal representative, and I advise you to be quiet and act upon your attorney's instructions.
Ithi inkantolo uthule ke angithi ngoba wena ke unomlelo uma ngabe ke ikhona into ofuna ukuyikhuluma ke uzoyikhuluma ke utshele ke ummeli wakho. Can we be granted your worship opportunity or to talk right now?
Who are you, sir? Plate number?
Banka.
Right, you have already spoken to your attorney, you've taken advice from your attorney, and the court already addressed you in this regard. The other accused with his hand, what is your surname, sir?
Umanje uthi angithi lento kumtshela ngimtshelile manje inkantolo ukuthi uma ngabe ufuna ukukhuluma okuthize bamele ukhulume ummeli wakho angithi uyena uzokhulumela. And then bawona phakathi isandla sakho bani igama nesibopho. Bani?
Mr. Nkwana, you may approach your client. Yes, the cameras will be switched off again so that what is said in confidence not be recorded.